Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to open Dix utility on Mac. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Method 1. Using Spotlight Search. Step 1. Click on search icon at the top right corner of the menu bar. Step 2. Type Dix utility into the search bar. Step 3. Click on the Dix utility app from the search results. And that's it. Dix utility app will open. Method 2. Using Launchpad. Step 1. Open the Launchpad from the dock. Step 2. Open the other folder. Step 3. Find and double click on Dix Utility app. The app will launch immediately. Method 3. Using the Finder menu. Step 1. Click on the Go menu at the top right corner of your screen. Step 2. Select Utilities from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In Utilities folder, double-click on Dix Utility. And there you have it. Dix utility will open right up. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more quick tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.